First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Man, oh man, this is some exciting weather to have here in the middle of July in southern Kentucky when we should be looking at temperatures upper 80s to around 90 degrees and overnight lows in the 70s. We've got highs in the upper 70s, lows in the 50s, and almost challenging the record low temperature for today, and even the coolest record high for today, or the record coolest high for today. As we take a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, we are all clear as an Arctic high pressure, very rare for the middle of July, sits over us, and that's giving us the clear sky and the cool temperature at 52 right now in Bowling Green. As we check temperatures around the Mesonet sites, we're even seeing, say, low 50s, like 51 in Columbia and Hodgenville. There's a 51 up there in Hartford and Ohio County, 51 down in Todd County in Elkton. I don't see any upper 40s here this morning, but further east, that's certainly a possibility at some of the Mesonet sites. And to add to that, not only the cooler temperatures, but also the very dry air mass that's settled over the area, the lower dew points. And if you've watched us here enough, you know that when we show the dew point map, it's usually green. And a lot of these temperatures are usually in the upper 60s to low 70s. It's just another way we measure the amount of moisture in the air. But when you see this kind of brown or tan color and the temperatures on the dew points are in the 50s, that means extra bonus weather for us, a very dry air mass. It's not humid at all. In fact, when you step outside this morning, it's going to be a good 10 to 15 degrees cooler this morning than when you stepped outside to go to work yesterday morning. Here's a live look from Doppler Cam. Beautiful sky, almost a fall-like atmosphere that has settled in over the area. October-like readings here this morning. 52 right now at the Bowling Green, Kentucky Mesonet site here in the city. 3-mile-per-hour wind out of the south-southeast and a rising barometer at 30 inches even. A little bit of fog showing up this morning at the Mammoth Cave National Park weather cam there, but otherwise a clear sky, a temperature at 53. Litchfield is at 52 up in Grayson County from our AAA Systems weather cam there, and it's going to stay that way for the rest of the day for everybody. Just a few puffy clouds maybe later this afternoon. Edmonton, you're starting clear. In Metcalfe County, your temperature is at 54 degrees, and over in Logan County, Russellville, you're starting the day at a very comfortable 53 degrees. Air quality unchanged, really. Some grass pollen in there. Ragweed is going to start to show up here in the next couple of weeks as we get closer to the latter half of the summer season. Rough River Lake, that's our hometown forecast for today. Up in Hardinsburg, a pleasant 76, 77 for E-Town and Hardin County. Litchfield and Grayson County, you should see a high today around 78 degrees. And tonight's Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $50 million. And the next Mega Millions drawing also estimated to be at $50 million. Temperatures pleasant everywhere you go. Great Lakes, Ohio River Valley, Tennessee River Valley, all dealing with the cooler air. 55 at the Bowling Green Airport, which is right now 15 degrees cooler than at this very hour just yesterday morning. That is a significant change for sure. 12-hour radar showing the absence of any rough weather. All that has moved well east of us. These are still the showers and thunderstorms that came through here Monday and produced the heavy rain and thunderstorms, but high pressure has taken over now and will stay with us for the next few days. We're talking some very pleasant weather during the day and even very comfortable kind of front porch weather during the overnight hours. If you like to sit out on the front porch, the back porch, or in the swing, or in the chair, or your patio, it's going to be one of those kind of evenings across southern Kentucky. Now, you see this big area of rain and thunderstorms out west of us. That will be creeping eastward as we go through time. About Friday afternoon, we'll begin to see showers coming back into our forecast. Until then, though, mostly sunny and pleasant. 79 today, 55, a near record low for tonight. Tomorrow we'll make it back to a little bit warmer, 82 under a mostly sunny sky. And there's that chance of a shower or two popping up Friday afternoon. Into Friday evening, we'll keep the highs around 80 degrees both Friday and Saturday. Scattered showers, a few thunderstorms there, and a little bit unsettled, but not a washout for the weekend and into the beginning of next week as we warm back to near 90 by Tuesday.